All right, good morning. So we'll be discussing on the weekly forecast today. We'll be forecasting this week, the week of 19th May 2025. So I have been away for about 40 days because I had some business to take care of, and by the grace of God, I have that is out of the way. So I think that will be the last time I'll long making video. take that long time off from making videos. All right. So let's get right back into it. So on the monthly time frame, we're currently trading inside of this trading range from this low to this high. So when you take your fib and measure the low to this high, we are currently trading at a discount. So we are in a discount. We consolidated around the equilibrium, expanded higher, took out buy side liquidity, and then dropped lower to take out sell side liquidity. So for this reason, we would look into this last swing that took out buy side liquidity and see the price action that went on there. So we'll be starting with the dollar, which is this. So when price dropped lower here, taking out this internal liquidity on the monthly time frame, price rallied higher to take out this relative equal highs here. These are relative equal highs. So price rallied higher to purge this relative equal highs and then drop lower. In doing that, during this process, price dropped lower, left a CB here, and then rallied higher and left a BC here, making this a balanced price range. So you take your rectangle and you draw this out in time as a monthly balanced price range. All right. So let's just go down straight to the daily time frame because I would want this video to be a quick one. So it's just a chat about price. So rally to the monthly balance price range on Monday's trading last week Monday. We rallied to it and then drop lower. So I'll be waiting for Monday, Tuesday, and London off Wednesday's trading to see the what price is trying to do because on the economic calendar we do not have any news on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And on Thursday, we have the unemployment claims at 8:30 a.m. New York time. So this is it for the dollar. We're trying to see if price is in fact interested in going higher if we are made a low here. But I'm not calling a low yet for the dollar until after Wednesday's London trading. So let's take a quick look at the ES. So personally, on the ES, I've been targeting these highs and this high here in my personal trading, even though that has not been shared to the general public because I have been trading privately over the last 6 weeks. All right. So what can you see here? You can see price dropping lower to a deep discount during April's trading during the first week of April. So we dropped lower into a deep discount. Let's start from the monthly time frame to understand where we currently are in price. So as you can see on the monthly time frame, we have this price has been bullish since 2020. So we have all of this rally higher. So because price does not move one direction continuously, we have the previous month, which is April, drop lower, taking out this sell side liquidity resting below this low, and this sell side liquidity resting below this lows. These are relatively equal lows. So hence why price came to this sell side liquidity. So we indicate this as a sell side liquidity on the monthly time frame. And we have this CB. Price formed this CB doing March trading. So we're going to indicate the CB's high and the low of the CB. So we are currently rebalancing this CB, this imbalance that was left in price when price dropped lower during March trading. So May currently we have rebalanced this CB. So let's go back to the daily time frame. Now on the daily time frame, we have this consolidation here, then a sell side of a market maker sell model. So this is the sell side of the curve, and then we have this buy side of the curve. So price dropped lower, consolidated a few days here, trading below the sell side liquidity. Then price rallied higher, and on Monday, 21st of April, price dropped lower inside of this grey pool. So if you take your fib and look for the equilibrium of these candles of these weeks, so you see price respecting this, the midpoint of these weeks, this week and this week, which is a grey pool. So we had that here, and then price expanded higher. So after this expansion higher, we had this first stage of reaccumulation. So this is the buy side of the curve of the market. So because we are currently seeing a buy side of the curve in the market, we are not expecting a sell program to be in play yet until after Monday, until after Wednesday London session. Then we'll know what the algorithm is trying to display. But personally, for me, I'm currently interested in these highs because you have buy side resting here. This is because the sellers that sold from here, that sold here and failed to take profit at this low when price pushed this sell side liquidity, they adjusted their stop loss above this high. That's those their stop loss that was adjusted here has been purged already now. So because it has been purged, we're trying to see if the market is in fact wanting to purge out these remaining stops resting above here, because obviously this is the next pool of liquidity where you have stop loss being placed. These stop loss orders will be placed as buy stops. So hence why we are targeting it. But currently, because we have currently purged a significant level of liquidity, we wait for a high impact news scenario to have a high probability trade setup, because as I said earlier, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of this week, we have no news report. So that is that. So I'm currently watching this I this imbalance here, this CB. I would like to see this CB become balanced. I would like to see a rebalancing of this CB. What will negate this idea? The only way this idea will be negated is if we have a candle body close below the midpoint of this monthly CB. Meaning this monthly CB would be wanting to act as an inversion level, taking price lower. So until we get that, I'm expecting DCB to support price from going lower. So act it should act as a support going higher to pair up these buy stops we're seeing above here, because we currently have sell stop orders that was taken here. This sell side liquidity. The orders that were taken here, they were distributed above this buy side liquidity here, this relative equal highs. And also for further distribution, because we've had this buy side, these sell stops that was purged here, distributed above this high, I would want to see a form of sell side liquidity sweep. So we'd want to see that sell side liquidity sweep next. So if that sell side liquidity has been raided and there is an indication of continuous bullishness in price on during during the London session on Wednesday's trading, then we'll go into the New York's trading on doing Wednesday's trading and seek higher prices, or Thursday's trading seeking higher prices. Until then, we wait. So I hope you got something from this review. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Goodbye and good luck trading.